H be subgroup of G and AB belong to G. G is the group. Then if AH left coset equal to right coset BH, if and only if A inverse B belong to H. So it is because here if and only if, so we need to prove in two parts. That means if we take this first part, then we prove this, and if we suppose this is true, then we prove this. So first let AH equal to BH, then we show A inverse B belong to H. We show this. So this means in this the element, because AH has the element of the type AH, where A belong to G and H belong to H. This we know the composition of AH, and similarly BH, B is replaced. So this means if let AH belong to, or HI, any arbitrary element I choose, belong to AH, this means AHI belong to BH. Why? Because AH equal to BH. That means AHI equal to BHJ for some HJ belong to H. Therefore, A can be from here, because A belong to G, so A inverse exists in G, and from here I can write HI is equal to A inverse B HJ, right? That means I apply A inverse, pre-multiply on both sides. That means this is element of H. That means what we have expressed, the element of H is in this form, right? That means we can say, because since HI belong to H and HI is equal to A inverse BHJ, implies A inverse B HJ belong to H. If this belong to H and this is equal to this, so this is also in H. Now as HJ belong to H, so H inverse exists, and H is subgroup. So for HJ belong to H, HJ inverse belong to H, and by closure property, this belong to H and this belong to H. That means what I can say, A inverse B HJ inverse. That means this I can write AB inverse belong to H by closure. So this is we have proved. Now we prove the reverse case. Again let A inverse B belong to H, implies A inverse B is equal to HI, for some HI belong to H. This means B is equal to AHI, and as we have proved, this means BH okay, HI. Suppose I write like this. So this I can say AHIH. Now because this HI element of H, so it cannot make a different coset. That means this is AH. So we have proved AH equal to BH. We suppose this and we have proved this.